You guys, let's build a dynamic daily KPI tracker in Excel together. So, because when you start working, you're going to be creating a tracker showing daily performance of the business, showing how much the business is making on a daily from Mondays to Saturdays, Sundays, from first of the month to the end of the month. So, we are going to be using two functions, two date functions called the end of month, EOMONTH, and also EDATE. So these are functions that we need, and this is the format right here I want us to build. This is what we are going to be using to recreate our daily KPI tracker. Okay, so we are going to be using these two functions. The purpose of these two functions, EDATE and EOMONTH, is because we want to move our date either forward, we want to move our date either backward, but by a specific number of months, yeah, while keeping the same day number. So let's get right on it. So first of all, we want to name our columns, right, and our rows. So right here, I'm going to title here metrics, or I'm going to call it KPI. And right here, we want this part to be our day. This is going to show days of the month. Yes. So let's get right on it. So this is where we are going to have our actual dates, right? So how to do that? How to create your date showing 1st of June 2026 of the current year. We are going to enter our equals to. We are going to use our EO month, end of month, double click, and we are going to use today. Close the bracket, comma, -1, close bracket, +1, hit enter. So it's going to show you this, but in case you try this now on your Excel sheet and it's not showing you this format, all you need to do is to come to your home ribbon from general here, where you see general, change it to date, change it to short date, and you're going to have it in this format. The next thing we want to do is we want to create our EDATE. EDATE is going to show us 1st of June, 2nd of June. Mind you, this date is 1st of June, right? Yeah. So we want to see 1st June, 2nd June, 3rd June. All we're going to do is enter our EDATE function equals to EDATE, double click. We want to reference this. This is what we want to reference, comma, 0, close bracket, hit enter. Now can you see, you can see 1st of June, right? The next thing we want to do is we want to show our day now, right? What is 1st of June? What day is 1st of June? All you need to do is enter your equals to text, right? You enter your equals to text, open bracket. What's the value we want to use? We want to use where we just did our EDATE calculation. Click on this cell, comma, what format do you want it to be? You want it to be in DDD, that's day, right? What day? Close your double quotation, close bracket, and hit enter. So on the 1st of June is Monday. So all you need to do is drag. But hold up. So we use this EDATE. So if you want to get 2nd of June, all we need to do is enter equals to this plus 1. Can you see that? Yeah. So it's going to be changing, right? 2nd of June, drag, click on this tiny box here, drag. Can you see? Yeah. So we're going to drag all to the way, all to 31st. But let's confirm, how many days do we have in June? Let's see, let's expand this tab. How many days do we have in June? We have 30 days, right? But we can make it 31 days because other months can have 31 days in it. So let's drag, click on this tiny box and drag all the way to 31st. 16th July. Okay, this is July. We don't want up to July. Nope. July is going to have its own table. So we are creating different performance of the business for different months, right? So we don't want July in it. So let's stop at June, right? So can you see, this is the format. This is what you're going to be doing on a daily when you start working. So all you need to do is just come back to where you have your Monday, Tuesday, and also drag all the way to the 30th of June. Can you see? So 30th of June is on a Tuesday. To confirm that, go to your calendar. 30th of June is on what? See, is on a Tuesday. So we are good to go. So this is what you're going to be doing on a daily. So let's say we have KPI names, right? What are you tracking for the business? Are you tracking new user sign up? So you name here new user sign up. What are you also tracking? Are you tracking revenue? So you name here revenue. Are you also tracking customer support? Are you also tracking active subscribers? Depends on what you're tracking, right? So you just put that here, subscriber. Okay, yeah, so we are good to go. All you need to do, all you need to use to create this table is your end of month and date. So we want to give this a color now. So we can, I'm going to press my Control Shift and my greater than sign to highlight just this particular cells that I need. And I'm going to change the color to, let's say we want to use, let's say we want to use this color, right? And we also want to change this color as well. Control Shift and the greater than sign on your desktop. I want to change the color to, let's say we want to change it to blue. Yeah, so we are good to go. We have, so this is how to create a dynamic daily KPI table in Excel. So the reason why we use end of month is because if you want to change from current month, want to see previous month, want to see 2 months ago, we can change that. So let's do that now. What I need to do is to Control Shift, my arrow key, press down arrow. Let's copy this, Control C. So let's come down and Control V, paste it. So we want to create for last month because this is June, right? So we want to create for last month. So all I'm going to do is come here in my end of month calculation. Where I have -1, I'm going to put minus, let's say -2. Can you see it has changed to May? Right, so this is your previous month. So on what day is 1st of May? So let's go to our calendar and check, is it on a Friday? 1st of May is on a Friday, right? So let's say we want to see for April. We want to see for April, all you need to do is to make sure your one of your cells is highlighted right here, right here. Control Shift key, your greater than arrow on your desktop to highlight everything that you have. You want to replicate it. Control C, come down here and let's Control V. All you need to change, right, is your end of month. Change where you see your 1, right? -1 means 0, right? Yeah, when you see your -1, what you need to do is just change the day there, change the number there, -2, let's say -3. So we are going to see the 3rd month, April. Click on enter. Can you see April? So you want to see, do you want to see January? Let's try January 6. Can you see now? Because your current month right now is number 6. Number 6 is June. So if you want to see the beginning of the year, which is January, just click on that end of month where you have your end of month calculation and do -6 and you're good to go. All right, this is the only place you can change your months, right? I hope you find this helpful. Follow Data Lens with Angie for more amazing tips, amazing on-site tips. This is how to create a table in Excel. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you and bye.